Hello students, we are going to begin with practice set 3.3 today, and the first question is find the cube roots of the following numbers. And we have already seen how to find the cube roots. First we have to find the factors and we have to determine that the given number is the cube of which number. This we have to find out by doing factorization, and then we can write the cube root of that number. So next example is 8000. Now 8000, it is written as 8 into 1000. 8000 can be written as 8 into 1000. Now 8 is the cube of 2 and 1000 is the cube of 10. So now this is of the form a to the power m into b to the power m. So this we can write it as 2 into 10 power 3. Okay, multiplication is there. Two different base are there, but power is same. So we can combine the base and write the power only one time. Now 2 into 10 is 20 and this cube means 8000 is the cube of 20. Therefore, cube root of 8000 is 20. 20 को 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करने से 8000 मिलता है. That's why cube root of 8000 is 20. Now, second example we will take 729. We have to find the cube root of 729. Now 729, the first factor will be 9. See, do the addition. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. So the sum is divisible by 9. That's why this number is also divisible by 9. This number is also divisible by 3, but we will take a bigger number, that is 9. So 9 into what is 729? We will see. 9 8s are 72 and 9 1s are 9. So we will get here 81. 729 is 9 into 81. Now 81 can be written as 9 multiplied by 9. Means what? 9 into 9 into 9 means what? 9 cube. So 729 is the cube of 9. Therefore, the cube root of 729 is 9. Okay, this is your answer. Now we will see the third example, that is 343. So 343 is divisible by 7 only. So directly we will take that 7 into 7 into 7. That is 7 cube. 343 is the cube of 7. This you have to learn, that 343 is the cube of 7. Therefore, cube root of 343 is 7. Next example, fourth one. Fourth example is negative 512. We have to find the cube root of negative 512. So first we will find the cube root of 512. Now see here. Here the units place number is 2. लास्ट में कौन सा डिजिट है यहाँ पे? 2. मतलब ये पूरा नंबर 2 से डिवाइड होगा. ये पूरा नंबर 2 से डिवाइड होगा. पर एक और बात है कि अगर ये नंबर किसी का क्यूब है तो वहाँ पे 2 3 बार पक्का आएगा. सो डायरेक्टली वी विल टेक 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 8. पहला फैक्टर हम डायरेक्टली कौन सा लेंगे? 8, क्योंकि हमें मालूम है कि 512 किसी ना किसी का क्यूब है. तो उसमें 2 से डिवाइड होने के बाद 2 3 बार पक्का आएगा. सो हम 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 डायरेक्टली लेंगे 8 and we will check what is the answer of division. So 8 6 are 48. Subtraction 51 minus 48, it is 3 and is 2. 8 4 is 32, means 512 is divisible by 8 and the answer is 64. 8 into 64. Now 64 we can write it as 8 into 8. We know that 64 is 8 into 8. So now we have obtained 8 3 times, means 8 cube. So 512 is the cube of 8. Therefore, cube root of 512 is 8. But we want the cube root of negative 512. So we will write the negative sign on both the sides. So cube root of negative 512 will be negative 8. Like this we have to solve. Now the next one. Fifth one is 2744. Now again here last digit is 4, means it will be divisible by 2. और 2 कितने बार आएगा? 3 times. So directly we will take here 8 and we will divide this number by 8. So here we will take 8 3s are 24. We will get 3 4. Now 8 4s are 32. Subtraction 2 this 4. So 8 3s are 24. What number we got? 8 into 343. But just now we have learned that 343 is the cube of 7. So 8 is the cube of 2 and 343 is the cube of 7. Now combine this 2 into 7 raised to the power 3. 2 7s are 14 raised to the power 3. Means what? 2744 is the cube of 14. Therefore, cube root of 2744 is 14. But we want to find the cube root of negative 2744. So give a negative sign on both the sides. Give a negative sign on both the sides. Now the last one, sixth one. 32,768. We have to find the cube root of this number. Now 32768. First factor we will take as 8 because last digit is divisible by 2 और 2 से डिवाइड होने के बाद 2 3 बार पक्का आएगा क्योंकि ये नंबर क्यूब है ही किसी ना किसी का, तो 2 भी 3 बार आएगा ही आएगा. So we will take 8. 32768. So 8 4s are 32. Then 7. 8 zeros are 0. 76. Now 8 9s are 72. 4 this 8. 8 6 are 48. So 8 into 4096. Now again here last digit is 6. मतलब ये 2 से डिवाइड होगा पर ये 2 कितने बार आएगा फिर से 3 times. So again we will take 8. So we will get the answer as 4096 divided by 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 1s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. So we will get 512. Again divide by 8. So we will get 8 into 8 into 8 into 512 divided by 8. 8 6 48. Subtraction is 3 2. 8 4 32. So we got 64. Now 64 we can write it as 8 into 8. So we got 8 raised to the power 5. Now 8 is the cube of 2. Means we can write it as 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 5. क्या किया हमने? ये 8 की जगह पे 2 क्यूब लिखा है क्योंकि 2 क्यूब का ही आंसर 8 होता है. नाउ वी कैन इंटरचेंज द पावर. डबल पावर है तो 5 को हम अंदर लिख सकते हैं और 3 को हम बाहर लिख सकते हैं. नाउ 2 raised to the power 5 how much? 32 and this cube as it is. So ये नंबर किसका क्यूब है? 32 का. This understood. Double power means what? What is the law of indices? If there is double power, then we can multiply that power a raised to the power m into n. And multiplication में हम कम्यूटेटिव लॉ यूज़ कर सकते हैं. m इंटू एन लिखो या n इंटू m लिखो. मीन्स ये अंदर ये बाहर लिखो या ये अंदर और इसको बाहर लिखो. मीनिंग विल बी सेम. बट वाई वी हैव डन दिस? बिकॉज वी वॉन्ट पावर 3 आउटसाइड. हमको क्यूब किसका है वो फाइंड करना है. तो हमने 3 पावर रखा और 5 को अंदर लेके सॉल्व किया. सो दिस नंबर इज द cube of 32. Therefore, cube root of this number 32,768 is 32. So, like this you have to find the cube roots of the numbers. Now, the second question is simplify. Question 2 is simplify. In that, the first one is cube root of 27 upon 125. Cube root of 27 upon 125. Now cube root of fraction is there. So it means दोनों का cube root लेना है, न्यूमरेटर का भी और डिनोमिनेटर का भी. And we know that cube root of 27 is 3 and cube root of 125 is 5. Therefore, cube root of 27 upon 125 is 3 upon 5. Okay. Next one is cube root of 16 upon 54. Now 16 upon 54. 16 भी किसी का क्यूब नहीं है, 54 भी किसी का क्यूब नहीं है. So what we will do? First we will reduce this fraction. Okay. So ये दोनों नंबर 2 से डिवाइड होते हैं. 2 8 जा 16 and 2 27 जा 54. करके देखेंगे. 2 2 जा 4 and 2 7 जा 14. So both these numbers can be divided by 2. और सेम नंबर से डिवीजन किया है. वी हैव डिवाइडेड बोथ द नंबर्स बाय 2. सो वॉट एवर फ्रैक्शन वी विल गेट it will be equal to this fraction 16 upon 54. So 16 upon 54 and 8 upon 27 is same only because we have done division by the same number. Now cube root of numerator separate and cube root of denominator separate. What is the cube root of 8? It is 2 and cube root of 27 it is 3. Therefore, the cube root of 16 upon 54. The answer is 2 upon 3. Now the last one we will take. Third one. In the third question, they have given us that if cube root of 729 is 9, then find the cube root of 0.000729. Now, in the previous lecture, I told you that whatever digits are in the question, okay, suppose there are 2 digits after the decimal point in a number, then in its cube there will be 6 digits in after the decimal point. तो यहाँ पे डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद कितने डिजिट्स हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6. तो जो भी इसका क्यूब रूट होगा, फर्स्ट वी विल राइट द क्वेश्चन, जो भी इसका क्यूब रूट होगा उसमें डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद कितने डिजिट्स रहेंगे? ओनली 2. ओके, क्योंकि यहाँ अगर 2 रहेंगे तो 2 3 ज़ा 6, तो नंबर में 6 रहेंगे. तो जब भी पॉइंट के बाद 6 डेसिमल पॉइंट्स है, डिजिट्स है, तो मतलब उसके क्यूब रूट में खाली 2 है. ना 729 का क्यूब रूट है 9, मतलब एक डिजिट रहेगा 9. एंड 3 zeros का क्यूब रूट रहेगा 1 0. And this 0 point as it is. So directly you can write as cube root of 0.000729 is 0.09. Understood? If there are 6 decimal places, then in the cube root there will be 2 decimal places. Okay, so here we complete our practice set 3.3 and also we complete our lesson number 3. Write down this practice set 3.3 in your notebook. Okay, thank you.